Hi, I'm Rick.
And I'm Sharon. And we are Cargo On. So not only do we have a name, yay!
We got the official shirts.
Yes, we have apparel, and there's another design coming too. That one will say Cargo Conversion Building Camp. And again, you can get these in the link below. Click on the store. In today's episode, we are going to test out the portable shower that we haven't used yet.
Are you going to get in the shower? Okay, today we're going to take a look at the propane heater that I installed in the trailer. It's a unit that's produced by TCMT. It's a Chinese brand. There are probably 50 other companies out there building the same unit with somebody else's name on it. But it's basically a 6-liter instantaneous propane water heater. It uses 2 flashlight batteries to provide the power for the igniter, all the sensors, and the LED readout of the temperature. It hooks up to a propane bottle. It's instantaneous and will provide as much hot water as you can use because it's heating it as fast as it goes through the unit, and it really is very free of any kind of problems. I was really impressed with how easy it was to install and how easy it is to operate and how well it works. And it was like $70 to buy this unit on the internet. So there's a link in our bottom of our description, and you can check it out yourself.
So we are setting up the shower. Doing there, Rick?
Running a 12-volt pump. I got to first pretty much charge the system with water.
It's the first time we're using this. Whoa. It just goes into a bucket.
Oh, watch out.
Okay, well, it definitely has a good stream. Or is that only when it first comes out?
Well, it's supposed to keep a good stream on it regardless, but this hose, I'm going to have to put something on this to keep it rigid, straight.
Like a weight?
Well, or stick.
Okay.
Keep it straight so it stays down in the water.
Alright, but this will keep it rigid and...
That's right.
Because you're hooking up the hot water heater to the propane tank. Oh, it's getting hot. Awesome. It's immediate.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Pretty cool. Oh, now it's burning hot.
I'm going to peek on Sharon because I think she's taking a shower.
Woo! What are you doing there? This is nice and warm. Oh, I can't believe how warm it is. So it's 45 degrees right now. That's about, what,
115.
degrees. Nice warm shower. Works good. I give it a thumbs up. If you're out in the woods boondocking and you need a quick warm shower, this will definitely work. I'm going to shut it down. So for about $200 you put this whole thing together?
Yep.
Overall, how happy are you with this product?
I'm very happy with the product.
For boondocking, this will work, right?
Yeah, I mean, it certainly beats having to drive 75 miles to a truck stop and then pay $15 a day. Yeah. If you like this video, let's have a thumbs up, please.
See you soon. Bye, y'all.
Bye.